Hey, this is Kylie and this is my Enhancement 9. I'm going to go ahead and show you the uploads page. Okay, here are all the existing images that I added. Let's go ahead and show the upload working. Let's upload TNT. Upload succeeded. And if you go down here, there you can see is our new TNT. We can delete it. Successfully deleted. Successfully deleted. And go ahead and add it back. And add another one as well. Okay. And validate this page. No errors. And CSS. No errors. Now we can go to different pages. And here's our additional images there. And we have additional images here as well. And I'll go ahead and validate this view. No errors. No errors. Okay, let's inspect it to see the sizes of these images. This one we can see the width is no greater than 500 pixels. And for the thumbnails, the width is no greater than 200 pixels there. No greater than 200 pixels here. And that's about it. So thanks so much for watching. Oh, I did forget to show the database. So here in the database, we can see that there are 2 for each image. The thumbnail, you can see the images that I added was this TNT2, and there's a second one, and this one, and the yellow rope, 2 images, 2 saved for each image and thumbnail.